Up for today is a John Deere L120 automatic. This repair procedure would be very similar, if not the same, on almost any L series, unknown other models. And what the symptom is, whenever it has a reverse interlock switch right there. You're supposed to press that, and that makes the engine not kill while you're backing up when the blade's going. Sort of a safety feature so you don't run something over inadvertently, so that shows you're paying attention. Anyway, mine keeps killing the engine every time I go to back up. And, you know, doing full throttle startups, backing quickly, and, that's what people will do. They back up quickly and then they'll go again, and, starting and stopping the motor from full speed like that, kind of bad for it, I feel. So it's time to fix it. I've been ignoring it long enough. And what we're talking about on this particular model, I know like the D model has a different thing, but this is just the switch here. It's just to keep the PTO, or the blade in my case, running while you're backing up without the engine killing. My switch is bad. Let's get after this. So in this particular one, AM124734 is the part number. Please look up your own. I don't know if there's different types, if there's different years, different whatevers. Don't trust that my part will fit yours. But in this case, this is what we need. And it just couldn't be easier to change it, I think. This is just pressed in to the panel. So it's a matter of getting these little tabs to fold back a little bit and pulling it back out, putting the wires back on. It's that easy, but let's get to it. Just in case you're not comfortable with doing it, let's show you. All right, I got the hood open, and you're looking underneath what would be the dashboard of the tractor. Here would be where the hood closes, right above there. And the wires we're looking for, I'll try to get my finger in the shot here, are the two that are at the tip of my fingernail right now, but it doesn't like to focus. Those two white ones that just showed back up, that's the wires we're going for. Obviously, it would just be the backside of the switch. Trying to figure out how to get the best shot for you. I think it's going to be basically me reaching in the other side, trying to push those clips and get this thing out backwards. Actually, it just came up by itself. Okay, never mind. It won't have to go in the back. These shouldn't matter which way they go. And as we put this in, it should click. It's literally that easy. Wasn't that beautiful? If yours was more stuck, you might have to try to get something to pinch these, but to pinch these little side things. But I'll take an easy win. Let's give it a test and make sure this works. I hereby declare that reverse interlock switch Wildwood certified. Thanks for watching.